Welcome to my channel Simple in Short. Today, we embark on a deep dive into the life and success secrets of Andrew Tate, a remarkable entrepreneur, professional kickboxer, and social media personality. Join us as we unveil the unconventional mindset, strategies, and experiences that have propelled Andrew Tate to extraordinary achievements. Segment 1, The Rise of Andrew Tate. Andrew Tate's journey towards success has been nothing short of extraordinary. In this segment, we'll trace his humble beginnings, exploring the early influences and experiences that shaped his character and ignited his passion for greatness. Segment 2, Embracing an Unconventional Mindset. One of the key pillars of Andrew Tate's success lies in his unconventional mindset. In this segment, we delve into his philosophy of challenging societal norms, embracing risk-taking, and adopting our relentless pursuit of personal freedom and success. By embracing an unconventional mindset, Andrew Tate has been able to identify unique opportunities, think creatively, and disrupt industries in unexpected ways. We'll explore the principles and strategies he employs to break free from limitations and achieve extraordinary results. Segment 3, Developing a Winning Mentality. Andrew Tate's success also stems from his unwavering belief in himself and his abilities. In this segment, we explore his techniques for cultivating a winning mentality, overcoming self-doubt, and harnessing the power of confidence and self-belief. Through his motivational speeches and social media presence, Andrew Tate empowers individuals to unlock their full potential, embrace their strengths, and pursue their goals with unyielding determination. Segment 4, The Entrepreneurial Journey. Andrew Tate has established himself as a successful entrepreneur, leveraging his personal brand to create profitable ventures. In this segment, we explore the business strategies, marketing tactics, and personal branding techniques that have propelled him to entrepreneurial success. By combining his unique persona with strategic business decisions, Andrew Tate has built a strong personal brand that resonates with his audience and attracts opportunities for growth and success. We'll uncover the secrets behind his entrepreneurial triumphs and explore how he stays ahead in a rapidly evolving business landscape. Segment 5, Embracing Controversy and Taking Calculated Risks. Andrew Tate's approach to success often involves embracing controversy and taking calculated risks. In this segment, we delve into his bold and unapologetic style, examining the impact of his controversial ideas and the calculated risks he has taken to stand out in a crowded digital world. While sometimes divisive, Andrew Tate's willingness to challenge the status quo and voice his opinions authentically has garnered attention and opened doors to new opportunities. We'll analyze the benefits and potential drawbacks of embracing controversy and explore how calculated risk-taking can lead to breakthrough moments. Segment 6, Overcoming Adversity and Cultivating Resilience. Like any journey to success, Andrew Tate has faced his fair share of challenges and setbacks. In this segment, we explore his experiences with adversity and the lessons he has learned along the way. We delve into his resilience, tenacity, and unwavering determination to overcome obstacles and continue moving forward. Andrew Tate's ability to persevere through adversity serves as a powerful reminder that setbacks can be stepping stones towards future success. We'll learn valuable strategies for bouncing back from setbacks, developing mental fortitude, and using challenges as catalysts for growth. Segment 7, Beyond Success, Andrew Tate's Impact and Legacy. In this final segment, we reflect on the broader impact and potential legacy of Andrew Tate. We'll explore how his unconventional success journey has inspired and empowered others to pursue their dreams, challenge limitations, and create their own paths to greatness. Andrew Tate's influence extends far beyond his personal achievements. We'll examine the ripple effects of his unconventional success secrets and how they are shaping a new generation of motivated individuals. As we conclude this exploration of Andrew Tate's Unconventional Success Secrets, it's clear that his mindset, belief in himself, and willingness to challenge norms have been instrumental in his achievements. I hope this in-depth journey has provided you with valuable insights and inspiration to think outside the box, embrace your unique path, and unlock your full potential. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, continue pushing boundaries and pursuing your dreams.